Unlocking your healing potential. The Reiki classes near you. Introduction. Reiki, an ancient Japanese healing technique, harnesses the power of universal life energy to promote physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. By channeling this energy through gentle touch or distant healing methods, practitioners help restore balance and harmony within the body. Whether you're seeking stress relief, personal growth, or a path to help others heal, Reiki offers transformative benefits. In our comprehensive Reiki classes, you'll embark on a journey of self-discovery. Taught by experienced and certified Reiki Masters, these classes are designed for everyone from complete beginners to those looking to deepen their practice. You'll learn about the history and principles of Reiki, how to perform self-healing, and how to provide healing. Through hands-on practice and guided meditations, you'll unlock your healing potential and gain the confidence to incorporate Reiki into your daily life.